Good morning, everybody. Today now it's a nice, bright, sunny, well, it's starting to be sunny, Sunday morning. And we're going to head off now on a little spin down, thinking maybe West Cork, down over into Kerry. No real set plan, just see where the road leads us. So, stay tuned if you want to see where we end up. Talk to you later. Right, so what we've decided to know for the first part of our little road trip is we're heading down West Cork direction. Right, go down around Bantry into Glengarriff and up over into Killarney. As I said, day looks to be a nice day, not too cloudy, clear enough sky, so let's hope it holds. And we'll enjoy the ride.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
through the town. There's a bit of a bypass on it, alright. We'll take the scenic route. We're now coming into the town of Drumillig. If memory serves me correctly, Bantry will be our next destination. We'll go off left Skibbereen and take Post Road down around West Cork if you so wished. It's a beautiful route down that way. We'll do that on another day. Temperatures come up 15 degrees. Over short nose of the sun to warm us up. Right there, you get to Gougane, lovely place. And over to McCroom. Oh no, entering Glengarriff. We'll take our time going through here now, see can we find some place for breakfast. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shiny Wing European Goldwing specialists.
With